first we would go over 2 problems with the students on how to use these 10 blocks to multiply. So the first multiplication problem we would do would be 3 times 50. So we would, here's the answer. So we would say the first number, 3, would be how many groups we're going to have. And then the second number, 50, we would have to break that into the multiples of 10. So we would ask them about place value. So in the number 50, what number is in the tens column? 5. So that means it's going to be 5, how many? 5 longs. Good. So we would have 3 groups of 5 tens. So that would be group 1. This would be group 2. And that would be group 3. So altogether, how many is that? So in here is 5 tens is 50. Good. So then it would be, to break it down, 3 groups times 5 groups times 10. So it's 3 groups of 5 groups of 10. So then, any questions on this one? No. Okay. Then we would do the second multiplication problem, which is 4 times 30. So now, since you just did the first one, how many groups do you think we're going to have? 4, because that's the first number. So we're going to have 4 groups and 30. So how do we break 30 into the multiples of 10? How many groups of 10 is it going to be?
3.
Why? Because
3 is in the tens place.
yes. So we're going to have 4 groups of 3 groups of 10. So let's count that all together. So this is 3 groups of 10, which is
30, 60, 90, 120.
good. So that would be, how do we break this down? What comes first?
4.
Times.
3.
Times. Good. So what would, sorry, I'm not trying it. So the first one was, do you remember? 150. And this one is 120. So then, just to go over with the students, we would have them, so the number 150, we would say what is in the tens column again, just to make sure they got it, which is 5. And that breaks down the multiples of 10, so we know how many 10 blocks to use. And the second one was, what was the tens column? 2. Good. So that's how we know what to break, how to break the tens multiples apart.
Okay, so now we're going to go back